Hello there, I'm Natalie, and I like to hackify school, meaning if there's a shortcut, I'm taking it. Raise your hand if you're lazy and you know it. In this case, give this video a thumbs up. Today I'm going to teach you the best student hacks and gadgets that will make your life easier as a student. Hold up, I'm doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving one lucky subscriber an iPhone. Woo! To enter, just subscribe to become a part of the family, and that's it. It's that simple. I challenge you guys to get this video to 300,000 thumbs up. You guys have been beating every single one of my challenge. There is not one I cannot give you that you will not complete. It's amazing. So I dare you to turn this to this by clicking below and giving this video a thumbs up. I want to give a huge shout out to Emmy for watching my videos. Thank you so much. So if you want a shout out in my next video, just comment below #notification_squad and I will be choosing one of you if you're here within the first 30 minutes that every video goes live. So make sure you're here early. And as a reminder, I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Let's get on to the video. If you've ever found yourself in a bad soap situation like this one, fear not, I've got you covered. Instead of relying on your school soap system, buy yourself one of these. This cool gadget is called paper soap. It's basically portable soap that won't take up too much space and will be there to save the day. This is a great alternative if you're especially cautious of germs and simply want to rely on yourself. Simply add some water, lather the sheet, and you'll soon notice a bubbling effect, allowing you to stay fresh and clean all day long. This gadget is for all my lazy people who forget to write in their planners or simply are forgetful of important events in their day. This is what you call a sticky note watch. Perfect to put on your wrist and jot down any reminders throughout the day that you need to stay accountable for. Hey girl, yeah, everything went really well. We got the tickets. The best part is because it's on your wrist, you'll be more prone to reminding yourself of important tasks as opposed to checking your phone or agenda. Since you're most likely working on your computer, this simple hack will allow you to work and stay on track of all your to-dos without the hassle of flipping through calendars or notebooks full of lists. Literally, your life's to-dos all at your fingertips. Let me know in the comments what are some things you're struggling with at school so I can brainstorm a fun video around it. And just a reminder that I love you guys and I appreciate everything you do for me. And I've been working so hard on a lot of really fun projects that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So make sure you follow me on Instagram for some sneak peeks. Sometimes sitting in the same position for hours studying can be really tiring on your body, your back, and your neck. I know for me it's important to take hourly breaks, but there's also a really quick, simple gadget that will help ease the pain and make you feel more comfortable. This foot hammock is exactly what it sounds like. It's meant to be a desk footrest for when you've been sitting hours at a time for long hours. It's super simple to install and the only thing left to do is relax and swing your legs for pure relaxation. You're gonna be surprised when your body is feeling more relaxed, you're actually able to do more work effectively and efficiently. Oh my god, this is so itchy. Ugh, what is this? Ugh, these annoying tags. If you're ever in need of a quick tool to help you with your everyday needs, get a small gadget like this one. These tiny scissors are super sharp, yet portable enough for you to take anywhere, helping you with your everyday needs. This gadget is by far one of my favorites if you need to blow dry your hair in the morning but would much rather use that time to be studying or consuming fun content like YouTube videos. You can now use this stand to help you multitask and not give up on the things you really need to do or want to do. If you've ever tried studying out of a book, you know it's not the easiest thing to memorize vocabulary when you can't write or be active with the textbook. The best thing I have found when it comes to studying is to be able to write directly onto your books. So do not ruin your books or get into any trouble at the end of the year. Here's a simple hack. All you're gonna need is traceable paper, and using some washi tape, you can easily apply the paper and use it as a way to write your notes onto your book without damaging the book and still keeping it clean so that at the end of the year when you turn it in, you won't get in trouble. Trust me, this simple hack will allow you to be more engaged with the material you're studying and grasp it without the hassle of having to rewrite the material elsewhere. Instead, everything you need to learn is condensed into one quick sheet. Oh my gosh, straight A's in every class? You go, girl. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also, check out my last video right over here by clicking on it, where I show you the best lazy gadgets ever. Subscribe right over here by clicking on my face. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. But make sure you have post notifications turned on by clicking on this little bell. That way I can see you twice a week. I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.